guys, welcome back. This is Dina. So Raksha Bandhan is coming really soon, and that's the reason why I'm wearing this kurti. I want to do a traditional Raksha Bandhan look. So it's going to be very simple but very traditional. So let's start with the look now. So I'm going to start with concealing my under eyes and my eye area with this concealer. It's the Maybelline New Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circle Concealer, and my shade is 130 medium. I'm going to apply this. I'm going to apply it over my eyelids as well. I'm going to hide this really bad pimple which is here. So I'm going to take a brush, I'm going to blend this. So the next thing is I'm going to use my foundation. So the foundation that I'm going to be using today is from Makeup Forever HD Foundation, and my shade is N127. It's a nice water-based foundation. It's really good for my skin as I have dry skin. So I'm going to apply this now. So Raksha Bandhan is usually a daytime event. That's what we celebrated during, like, from morning till afternoon. And all my cousins, all my relatives, they come home. It's amazing. It's such a nice festival. All my brothers give me a lot of gifts. So mostly it's a daytime event. So I'm going to be using very minimal makeup. I'm going to apply less makeup. I'm going to keep it more natural. Trying to hide my pimple. So I'm going to start with my eyes now. For this I'll be using my favorite Huda Beauty Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette. So I'll be mostly using the colors that I have on my kurti. So the pink and yellowish tone. So I'm going to start with this shade which is called Moon Dust. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Once I've done that, I'm going to be using this shade called Sandalwood. I'm going to apply it on my crease just to give that definition. And now I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette by GIGI Hadid. It's the Maybelline GIGI Hadid collection. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Now once I've done that, I'm going to go back to the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. Then I'm going to take this color called Flamingo, this pink shade. I'm going to take very little product. Remove out the excess. I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to do the same thing here. So once I've done that, now I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. This is my Maybelline New York Eye Studio Gel Liner. You must have seen it in almost every video of mine. A really thin line. Done with applying my eyeliner on my upper eyelid. So time for some mascara now. I'll be applying my favorite Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. for that I'll be using this Benefit Brow Zing, and so these are the shades. And so first you use the gel, the pomade, and then you use the powder. So I'm going to use this now. So I'm done with my brows now. I'm going to use a nice blush. So I'm going to be using this Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette. And this is the shade that I'll be using today. Apply some lipstick. The lipstick that I'll be using today is from Miss Claire. This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream, and my shade is 05. I think it's a little too pink, so to tone it down I'll be using another shade. I'll be using the same lipstick, but the shade is 47. I'm almost done. This is the last step. Now I'm going to finish my makeup. I'm just going to apply some matte fixing spray. So I'm going to shake it. So guys, this is my complete look. I hope you liked it. It's very simple. Do try it at home and let me know. And happy Raksha Bandhan guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.